Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Really excited to be sharing my first ever video recipe with you. It's one of our family favorites. It's called crispy tofu popcorn. It's very easy to make, it's very quick, and it tastes incredible. Me and my family make it every single week, and I'm sure you and your family are going to love it too. You can serve it with anything, with some mayo, with some sour cream. We usually just serve it with some sriracha mayo, which tastes incredible. If you love it spicy, you can add more chilies and make it more spicy. I'm going to be teaching you the recipe now, and I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks as well. So without further ado, come on and let's get started on with the recipe. Click on the link in the description box for a full list of ingredients you require to make this recipe. Start by tap drying the soaked block of tofu using a kitchen towel. Press gently as you want the kitchen towel to absorb all the water, and you don't want to break the tofu either. You might need a few sheets of kitchen towel to help you do this. Once the tofu is dry, cut it into 3 cm bite-sized pieces. You can cut the tofu as big or as small as you want. Set aside when you're done. Next, in a medium bowl, add corn flour and all the other dry spices including garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder, paprika powder, chili powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. Whisk all the dry ingredients together. Now add in your sriracha mayo, as well as some water. Now continue mixing with the help of a whisk. You should end up with a batter that is thick and orangey in color. If your batter is not thick enough, add a spoonful of corn flour, and if it's too thick, add a dash of water to loosen it. Now, dip the tofu cubes in the batter one at a time. Once you've coated all the tofu cubes, pop them in the fridge for 15 minutes before moving on to the next step. Now gently coat your tofu cubes into the breadcrumb and nutritional yeast one at a time. The tofu might be a bit sticky due to the corn flour, but please be gentle so that you don't break them apart. Use both your hands to help you. I love using one hand to pick up the tofu and the other one to coat it in breadcrumbs. Once you've coated all the tofu in with the breadcrumbs, now it's time to deep fry them. Fry the tofu at medium heat, as they might undercook from the inside at high heat, or they might even burn. It might take a couple of minutes until they turn golden brown. You'll know when they're done when they smell aromatic as well as they change to a golden brown color. Sprinkle some dried oregano or parsley over your tofu popcorn and enjoy them warm with some sriracha or regular mayo. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I look forward to sharing my next recipe with you again on Wednesday. See you then. Bye!